Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo from your Google Chrome. So now as you can see, I've already opened my Google Chrome. Here you can see the search engine is Yahoo. If I want to search anything, it will show Yahoo search engines related data. So now if you want to remove this Yahoo search engine, all you have to do is go to the top right corner, click on these three dots, go to the settings. Here you can see a search engine, tap on it. Search engine, you can see Yahoo as a default search engine. Click on the change. You can set Google, Microsoft, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or anything, whatever you want. I'm gonna set Google as default search engine. I'm gonna have to click on it, set as default. So now it is already saved. Click on new tab. As you can see, it's already Google search engine. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you.